Mackenzie. I'm here in Pace at my music studio, and I'm so excited to give you a studio tour. So let's go in. Welcome to Let's Play Music. I've got space for keyboards. Let's Play Music is a piano course, but it's so much more. We start with a young 4 to 5 to 6-year-old child, and they are learning piano, rhythm, melody, harmony, sight reading music, reading notes on the staff. And ostinato is able to be played repeatedly while we sing. A frog went a hopping. The second instrument we use in first year, which is keyboard readiness, is our auto harp. And we know in music there are 3 primary chords. Children are able to play this independently and accompany a group. So that sets them up to know how to hear what chords sound good with what melody and put them together, and those are the building blocks of music. And we have them on the keyboards 2nd and 3rd year, and their final project is to compose their own piece. By then they know melody, harmony, what rhythms, how to write music, and then perform it. This is full of all sorts of instruments, singable storybooks, and prizes, of course. In Sound Beginnings, we teach children age 0 to 4, and it's parents attend with the child every week. And when you come, you sit right with your child, you bond with them, you're singing along and having an enjoyable experience. One of the favorite activities we do is when we hear a classical piece, we have actions, and they're called Smart Moves dances. We have a letter of the day, and we're focusing this semester on manners and counting and months of the year. So when you come to class, you won't just have an enjoyable musical time, but your child will be learning. So if you have more questions, or if you're wondering if it's right for you, I'm happy to let anyone come try a free class. Bring their mask, and we're not going to be sharing any instruments. We're going to keep our hands sanitized and just make sure we're not spreading any extra germ. I look forward to meeting you in a music class.